One of the best things you and your family can do today before a disaster strikes is build an emergency kit. Your kit should hold 72 hours worth of supplies. First, you'll need something to keep everything in. An easy to lift plastic container will do. Next, we'll need the essentials, like 3 gallons of water, 1 for each day, cash, a portable cell phone charger, a first aid kit, a flashlight with extra batteries, non-perishable food, and a 3-day supply of your prescription medications. Now let's pack the useful things, like sturdy, closed-toed shoes, a battery-operated radio, and various tools in case you need to board up your home or turn off utilities. And lastly, let's grab some personal items, like hygiene products and personal documents. Identification forms, insurance policies, and prescription scripts should be placed in a plastic bag. Remember to make a plan for your small children and your pets. To find more information on how to build your emergency kit, visit readysouthtexas.gov.